The reason why I got interested in the LANAP protocol is I was noticing a lot of my patients that we were trying to do scaling root planing over and over because they did not want to go through the traditional periodontal surgery with a scalpel and suture. So we kept trying to treat them with scaling root planing, having them come in more often, but we just weren't getting the results. And the amount of patients that we had in our practice that needed something more was tremendous. And LANAP and Millennium Dental Technologies, offered this procedure to us that has been just incredible for our patients as well as our practice. So the biggest thing that surprised me the most after starting to do LANAP is the patient's comfort level after the treatment. I'll call them the night of and the next day, and they're shocked to see how little pain, how little swelling, how little sensitivity that they have after treatment, after everything that we just did for them, which is amazing. I mean, it's a big practice builder. It's something that patients talk about. So it's been incredible. It's been very surprising. The training process was awesome. I mean, boot camp was obviously heavy, but it really gets you ready to go in your practice the next Monday morning and treat patients with LANAP. I mean, it's one of the few things where I felt extremely comfortable afterwards that I was ready to go ahead and start this protocol, something that I haven't done before the 3 days of boot camp. So yeah, it was great.